most inspiring woman of the year, Miss Rebecca Roche. Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
You are wearing a very nice gown. I think this is made by.
Made by Chris Kadungog, my designer.
Yeah,
And it's
very nice gown.
Epalipiana, yes.
So what do you think is the essence of this event featuring all the grandiose and empowered women of today?
You meet the people, what they are doing, the success, what success they reach in their life. Yeah. Some they have good business also, and empowering women also around the world. And they receive different awards for their success.
What do you think made you successful and what's the secret of it? Syempre, there are a lot of young generations of today was really hoping to know that.
Yeah, yeah, you need a hard work, and behind the success, it has different up and down, and also you have to have self discipline. Also, it's not easy, but you have to work hard and to have personal development, also personal management. You have to. You cannot do what you want. You have to have schedule and to follow it. Your success, to have success, no?
Kasi you have your own ingredients of success. So if you are going to imply that to the young generations of today, what do you think is that ingredient for them to be also successful? Aside from mga nasabi po natin kanina.
Yeah. Yeah, every success it has pain. You have to to pass with. You have to walk not on always good. Yeah, it's up and down, and the important you don't need to give up. You have to try and to try until you reach what you want, no? And to work for your dreams. It's important because I have also different experience in my life. It was I can't believe also I arrived in this achieved this all today. Also as I have different titles also as empower woman. I'm still a reigning queen of Supreme Eco Global Universe in Germany, and also ambassadors in different in Mrs. different organization in Germany. Also, I reached it, and maybe I have 10 titles.
Wow! That's nice. Mapapasana all ang lahat, di ba? Lastly, what is that legacy of you, Ms. Rebecca Roche, that you would like to leave in the hearts of many?
It's character for people also. You know, it's nice and I like it. And here also to attend this kind of events, it's a nice feeling because it's my family. It's my Filipino, my home sweet home.
My home.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Ma'am Rebecca Roche. Thank you for empowering us. Thank you for empowering, of course, our viewers, the youth out there. Thank you so much. It's not only you physically beautiful, but really you have a heart. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.